The festival this year is based on what we feel is very special to us, the Gali Kucha theme. And so our curation is around the Gali Kucha theme, whether it is our literary guftagu, whether it's the way the food is placed, our exhibits, a bit of our performances. I think we have a Mela Numa festival, and I think what makes it very exciting for us every year as a team also is the curation that we do around the theme.
Right.
And of course, we bring back a Lucknow. I won't say bring back a Lucknow that exists, but maybe not for the whole city. And so this oral history documentation is the jaan of the festival.
Theme this year is Lucknow ke Gali Kuche. As every year, the team has done a wonderful effort in deep diving into the culture of Lucknow through the lens of the Gali Kuche of Lucknow. As we all know, streetscapes and streets of any city tell 1,000 tales about the history and the culture of the city, and that's what the aim of this theme is, to bring alive those cityscapes and the cultural nuances of Lucknow through the eyes of the small lanes and by lanes of the city. As usual, the team has done a wonderful job doing
The food is again street food of mostly, and there are some other stalls of home chefs and things like that. And basically, so that you can have a variety of stuff of Lucknow. So whether it's a chaat of Lucknow, or the farah of Lucknow, or of course Nehari Kulcha and the kebabs, you get it all. And then we have a Sunday food festival, which is the most special. Again, like they say, the Kohinoor in the crown is the home chefs, because the home chefs are really, people don't have access to them, and it's really special because it's recipes down generations.
Right.
And so they bring their signature dishes. The Crafts Bazaar brings both crafts from across the country and crafts of other than UP also to you. And I think it's curated very carefully. We have 90% only artisans. And I think it's become really popular, and I would say over the last few years.
the craft and the art, which is the backbone of this festival. I think the festival goer and the ones who come to the Mahindra Sanatkara Lucknow Festival are really privileged to be able to be exposed to this wonderful labor of love of the team and really embrace the city for all its works.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.